I hope I am audible and properly. My voice is clear. Let's get to trading now. Let's get to gold. Yes, we are going to trade the gold today. And one more thing, I had one more trade after the streams ended that got me $88 of loss. That I had sold the uh, Nasdaq again, but it went against my trade again. So yesterday we had a very big loss. Let's go to chart. Here we are, 1 minute time frame. Why is the spread so high right now? So we are live. I think you can listen properly. Let me share the stream with my audience. Then I will start my analysis for the gold. We had a losing stream yesterday on New York session. I think I forgot to rename the. Uh, it should be SES session, not NY session. Sorry for this mistake. I will read it after the stream. What is this? Okay, so we are all set and good to go now. Well, sorry for the uh, naming of naming it incorrectly. It's not NY session, it's SES session. I just forgot to rename the stuff properly. Let's see where the market opened. It's Tuesday. Market opened somewhere here. So we haven't expanded yet much. So we can have a good trade. This one candle, 6, 7. This is the opening of the day. Let's mark it. It's new day opening. Wednesday, April 1, 2026. Alt R. We have made the low of the SES session. Here we have a yellow. We Wednesday, April 1. So what are we doing right now? We are trying to expand higher. We have taken. We would like to see this TSS to take any trade to the higher side, and we had this thunder OB pushing the market down, but right now we would like to see a TSS right just now to take us long. Let's make the color of this also violet, so we understand that it is this today's stuff, today's opening, not some other days. We are going to take this trade, okay? So be ready to have the long, and let's look at the dollar index. The dollar index is all set to go down. We have liquidity below in the dollar index, so the market can go down. We have a breaker the market is rejecting from. So as soon as this candle closes, we will take a long with the previous candle, but we need a body candle closer above this line. So as soon as we get a body candle closer above this line, we will be set to take a long. Here is the thunder fair value gap. We are going to take a long from here. SL will come previous candles low of the previous candle, that is here. We can go for $50 in. Okay, so we cannot do more than 11 12 point RR, something like that. So we have placed our trade. Let's go on 5 minutes. TP will be 250. We can aim for higher, but 250 is 1:5 RR for the model. And this is a fair value gap, right? Or this one is the fair value gap. We are on the last minutes of the 5 minutes candle, and also on the 50 minutes candle as well. So we are going to take this trade on other accounts as well. And this second step of this account, I have gold here. I don't have gold here, so let's add gold metals. Where is the gold chart? Let's see if there is execution here. Maybe. So this chart is not tradable. XAUSD, I have to trade this one. 5 1 I will risk like very stop loss, man. I will risk like $50 in this trade. The market is coming down all the way to our stop loss, but nobody's. I will risk $180. Can I go more? Just take a long. Stop loss must be set within the 30 seconds time frame. Okay, so we are good for the trade. Now let's set the TP for this trade. It will be 1 is to 5. That is $500. So I can pass this account in just one trade. Let's have something up. This trade is all the set as well. Now let's go to another account, that is this one, and take the trade here as well. What happened? Oh, it's Nasdaq chart. Actually, the stop loss is saved. As I had said, the stop loss below the previous candle's low. Here will be our entry. Here will be our stop loss. Buy limit 5 minutes time frame. TP all the way to $250. Here, and we go. We will observe this trade with our this account. I hope I'm not stopped out. What happened? The trade did not trigger. OMG, the trade did not trigger. Yeah. Or did we get take a loss? No, we did not take a loss. The trade did not trigger. So we'll have to observe with some this account, some other account. Chart. Okay. So let's mark the entry, exit, and TP prices on the trading view chart. Entry 4690. 4690 is our entry. Stop loss is 4685. 4685. 46. That below of this cancel 4685. And TP is 4713. 4713. That would be 1 is to 5 for sure. That would be 1 is to 5. Yep, here. Now let's try to take this trade again on that account. It is this gold. It has come back to our entry, and we will enter here. Our stop loss will go all the way below here. Let's try this, if we get a fill or not. I think we should be able to open at is 0.11 lot. We should be able to open 0.11 lot. And TP will be all the way to up to 250. But until our trade is triggered, I think the last time we had this, let's go to 0.10, modify this, deleted. What is happening? Trade, place trade here, stop loss below previous candle's low, and enter. I hope we get an entry. Come on, 5 minutes. We do PP at 250. Done. Now just believe in thunder. Yep, we are in. How much of margin did it take? It take 9,000. That's why we were not able to get into this dead trade last time. So we'll monitor the trade on this account only. Let's remark the markings here. It's 100 FVG. The candlesticks are respecting it very brightly. What I say. Let's move this. And the market is going lower for some reason, but I'm sure it will go up. For any reason, if you take any kind of loss, so well, this is another thunder FVG. We had a thunder FVG before that has driven the prices higher. And I'm so that now we are sure that the market will go up because we had this thunder FVG as well, which has pushed the market up to this level. And now let's mark the candlesticks as according to this I mean wealth or a funded account, because this is the main account I have my beliefs in that I will get a payout. So the entry price in this is 4715 is the exit, 4715 is the exit, 4715 is the exit. Entry price, we are still not sure of the entry price. Let's come back 1 minute time frame and see if we can see the entry price. No, we cannot see the entry price yet. Entry is just at this candle's low, I think. So this should be the entry price. So we are in 8. let's Let me convert the time frame to. Now we are all set. It's 11:23. Let's observe the market on 15 minutes time 5 minutes time frame on MD5. Just believe in thunder and stay aligned with your trade. We have a lot of liquidities in the marketplace right now. The market should be expanding right now. That is my one of the intuitions on this trade, that it is the time of expansion, so market should be expanding right now. And it is bullish market now. The market has come to a bullish scenario now, that on the daily time frame, so the market should be going up. The 5 minutes candle closure is not good. 9 seconds and we will close the 15 minutes candle, sorry, 5 minutes candle. Well, I have not received my what I say, Blue Guardian Futures funded account because they have said that the account checks takes around 48 hours. So I will have to wait for the 48 hours time frame to complete. So 24 hours has already been completed, and we need 24 hours more. After that, I will be able to get my account. When the market moved out the way up here, I thought this is the time when the market will go up, but the market did not go up, and it's a matter of concern for me right now. The market should be going up by now. It's 11:26, and the 30 minutes candle will close soon. Let's see how the 30-minute candle is forming. So we are in a bull market. We are reacting from this order block, so we might go up with the next 30 minutes candle. But I want to get a candle closer above this. Let's call it gray. I want a body candle closer above this. The 30 minutes candle closes, so we are not in the wick trap. So we are currently in the 30 minutes wick. This is the wick of the last 30 minutes candle. We are consolidating that at that place, and that is the reason for this consolidation. Once we get above the wick, that is above this one on 30 minutes time frame, we will have a good candle the bull side. But if we get a candle below this, then that can be a problem for the bull side, and market can go below again. That is on the lower side. Hello Sumant, good morning, how are you? Welcome on the stream. I really appreciate your presence every day. As I had said, if we get a body candle closer on 30 minutes time frame below this area, below this line, then that can be a problem for us because uh, this is a week above this below. This is the week of 30, last previous 30 minutes candle. Let me show you. Here it is. We want to close above the week of the previous 30 minutes candle, so we don't get into a barcoding action and the market does not go below again. We might close here on 30 minutes basis if the market is going to barcode, but if we get a body candle closer. Did we get stopped out? Oh shit, man, that's a huge candle on 30 minutes, on 1 minute as well. Hmm. I think we have to reconsider our strategies from now on. It is this time of expansion. The market should be expanding up higher. When the market came to touch the previous 100 fair value gap, and it is now rejecting up higher. If we get a body candle close above, then we will take an entry again before the market if on this candle closer. Let's look at 30 minutes. 30 minutes candle is over, and we got a bad candle. So currently now we don't have any entry again. So I made three losses today. I mean, one loss on each account. Don't take any trade now. We will analyze the market for like 30 minutes. Then we will look for any trades. Let's look at US 100. The market is choppy today. I'm also good, bro. Just taking some losses that I should not have been taking. Well, the market is rejecting from my inversion fair value gap here. This one is that inversion fair value. Only there is no inversion fair value gap, but there is a breaker. Market is rejecting from that to the above side. We have a liquidity above. Market can come all the way up here, but we are not taking this trade. Let's look at gold back. I am still bullish on the gold now. So we have taken a loss of, let's come for today, $40. I'm not taking willing to take a trade just right now anymore. So this loss will be on the all the accounts. The market opened here, gave its low as yellow, then it went up higher as it does every day. It came lower, swiped out this liquidity. So we will wait for the market to swipe out this liquidity as well. But that is the rare case. Market swiped out this liquidity. It gave a market structure shift. It also formed a thunder fair value gap, and it went up higher from that. Market came in, went up, and came in. It is again respecting the thunder fair value gap. And so if we take a trade according to this, we may take a loss again, but this was another thunder fair value gap traded formed. It was respecting it. It went up higher, but it then came back down. Can you see how much time it is? Can you see how much time the market is spending inside of an inefficiencies? This is an indication of low resistance liquidity run conditions. So we are going to take. I will take a trade. You people will not take a trade. Okay. I will take a risk. You will not take a risk. I will take a risk on direct funded trader account that I think I made a loss of big loss of $99. Uh, Bad loss. I thought this could be a big winner, but it came to a loss. The market is low resistance in the low resistance liquidity run conditions right now. We do have a bullish scenario in hourly and 30 minutes time frame, and the market has also touched the uh, let's take a trade here. Stop loss. Where is stop loss? All the way below this candle. Let's lower the stop loss a little. $97. Okay. This will be last trade on this account, and I will go for $600 in return, so that all my losses, and I am doing yellow trade right now. Remember, I am into this, and I'm not taking this trade on our wealth or a funded account because I don't want to be swiped away on that account because I have high hopes with that account. Let's mark here our entry, exit, and TP. Uh, this is our second trade. Let's see if you go to 5 minutes time frame. Entry is somewhere here. Exit is at 4680. 4680. 4680. Exit is somewhere here, and TP is all the way 4717. 4717. It is 1 is to 1.5 something. Now let's see if we get this trade right, or we will get swept out again. And remember, I'm not taking this trade on my main account, that is wealth or a funded account. Let's observe on 5 minutes time frame. Market is coming lower, high, low, low, high, low. If the market is to go lower, then it will just give a big candle lower. But if the market breaks this high, or on the 3 minutes time frame, low, high, low, high, this high as well, then we are good for the bullish scenario. One minute is better. I will say don't take this trade, please. This is just a risk on my own an account that I have less hopes with. So please don't take this trade. I might consider going break even as soon as possible. I have lost of $99. It's 30 minutes time frame. The market might go for a barcode on 30 minutes time frame. That will be a bad scenario for us, and we will close the hourly candle in 20 minutes, and that is also not looking good. We might get a rejection lower. Hmm. In the next 20 minutes, we will have our fate decided. 4685, 4685. The entry is 4685. We will win the macro time frame in just 9 minutes, but we will survive the 9 minutes. On the daily time frame, the market is bullish, but the daily time frame doesn't matter when you are in a specific session. On the 4 hours time frame, the market is coming bearish, and it has 2 hours more left. On 1 hour time frame, the market has weakened the previous hour candle's body and is now coming lower. That is a very big concern for us. On 30 minutes time frame, we are going for a barcode action. That is also bad for us. On 15 minutes time frame, we we are rejecting from an order block, that is this one, and the market is bearish right now. On 5 minutes time frame, market is totally bearish and is making lower lows and lower highs. On 1 minute time frame, we have a bullish scenario, that is market structure shift, and our model as well. So I will suggest wait and watch the more trades. Don't take any trades with me right now. Well, this was a good candle. It swiped out the liquidities and gave a good candle closer above the upper quadrant of the fair value gap. This 30 minutes candle will close in 16 minutes. We had two good candles in 1 minute time frame, That is this one, a rejection and this bullish candle, and then we have a volume imbalance here, and the market is trying to push higher. So let's see how it goes. Yes, this is a good candle. We are really going very fast to the upside, and that is I want to see this momentum continue for the next 15 minutes. We have a new 15 minutes candle, and I think that is the reason for this momentum. But the main thing is that we need to surpass this level here and close above this candle. Let's me make it darker blue. Well, I have taken this trade on just one account, so and have taken this account from on. I'm taking this trade on an account which I have very less hopes. So just chill and don't take a trade with me right now. We are in a strange kind of market conditions today. Let's see if there is news today, because there is rarely any news during the morning in India or in the evening time. It's 31st. Let's look at April. Okay, okay. So we have very big news. We have non-farm employment. We have core retail. We have retail sales all at 8:30 a.m. Then we have ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. So the market can chop a little bit today till the what I say the news comes out. I would not consider taking trades today as much as I would and I used to do before the news comes out. So the London session will be according to how the market behaves in the SES session. Look how this candle closed below like this. This was an unexpected candle, and I did not like this candle at all. The market should have been going higher by now. We will win the next hour candle, and we want to close above this high when the next hour candle begins, or the market will just fall down, or I say melt down. The market is reacting from this thunder fair value gap very well. I will just come in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm back now, and the market has begun to melt down. I don't know how low what the stop loss is. Let's see if this low is swiped. We have last 10 minutes till the hourly candle closer, and we want the market to close here. Let's call it green. 1 minute time frame. We want the market to come all the way up here for a better bullish market. Yep, that's a meltdown I was expecting. Mm-hmm. So the liquidity has been swiped. All these liquidities have been swiped. And now let's see if we get a rejection above, or we will continue to go lower. Hmm. Well, this is the last trade of the SES session, and I won't be trading anymore. But I will stay here till 1 p.m. Like, when did I start the stream? I started the stream like just 47 minutes ago. I will stay here for 1 hour more. The liquidity has been swiped. If the intentions were to swap the liquidity before going up, then the liquidity has been swiped, and now the market has clear sky to go up. All these buy side, sell side liquidities have been swiped, so all the buy sell stops who were long are gone. So the market is going down. I still think the market is going down because we need the hourly body to be here before in 7 minutes for the bullish market to continue, as according to my experience. And we are in macro time frame right now. So what went wrong with my trade? I don't understand. Maybe the audience increase has put me pressure on me to take a trade. Yeah, that was the case actually. hmm We have 5 more minutes. Either we come all the way up here, or we melt down. Let's see if we get about the candle closer above this. Okay, so the video has been stopped. Share my screen. Start now. अभी ने कुछ बोला, अभी ने बोला कुछ. Let's view, not this one, view cast. Come back later. Okay, so the market came all the way back up just to touch the an order block. Why is my trading view not showing up? Okay, what is happening right now? Close this up, close this app. Let's view, share my screen, start now. It's went up. Now let's view. Okay, so we have stopped out. So we have been stopped out now. I'm sorry, it's because of some technical difficulties. I'm not able to show my MT5 chart, but we have been stopped out. Yeah, we have been stopped out. Let me show you the chart history. Why is it not connecting, man? Yes, here you can see the second loss as well. Okay, not need to worry. I think I'm on a losing streak now. The market is on low resistance liquidity run. So we have two losses in a row, and we are not taking any trades anymore. Thankfully, we did not take trades on other accounts. As I had said, log into this account. We are down by $40, and in this account, we are also down by $40 as well. Oh, so our position did not get triggered. Wow, what a relief! The first time I'm having that when you triggered position is not triggered, you have a relief of not being in a trade. I think we should not take trades today anymore because the market is in high resistance liquidity run conditions. Hello again. Phew. So that was what an liquidity run we had. The Dixie started to go up. I think this is the gap of opening gap, and the Dixie should be going down now from here. I am getting the bad from the last day's invoice session. I have been turned into the losing streak. Let's wait for this liquidity to be swiped. Then I will take trade on main account. Let's look at hourly time frame. 30 minutes. As I had said, if we do not close above this, we will go down. That is melt down, and we are melting down right now. And I want to see a body candle flow below these lows. What happened? It is. I hope I'm audible right now properly, and you can listen to my voice. We have taken two losses, one loss on the main account and two losses on this secondary account. We are down by for $150. One good trade should be able to recover all the amount. So we are in the second phase on the two accounts, and I think I should not hurry now. We will have more opportunities, more better days, better setups. There is nothing to do right now, so just sit down and wait for a setup. We just had two losses in a row, and the risk is under control. The secondary account, that is DFT, I'm not trading anymore on this session. I will take a trade on London session or New York session. But this is a news day, and there should not be any trading activity during the news or before the news has dropped. But let's wait for this liquidity to be swiped, and after that we will take a trade. And by the way, my futures account, that is Blue Guardian Futures, is under review. It takes 48 hours for them to review the account and then issue the funded account. So I will have my funded account like from like tomorrow. We needed to wait for the setup. At here we needed to wait for for the market to come back to this standard fair value gap and then take a trade. Only then we could have had only one loss, but loss would have been there. And now we wait for this liquidity to be swiped so we can have another trade to the higher side. And I will take this trade on the main account this time. And if the market is about to go bearish, then there is nothing to do or nothing to say, because I don't have bearish bias right now. There is literally nothing that says for the bearish bias. We did had an thunder fair value gap just here. This was the thunder fair value gap, but that was not respected at all. You can see the market went above this high and the stop loss would have been taken out, and again then it went started to go down a lot. When the lot of setups are about starts coming in, I just become hesitant on taking the trades. I know the market will push up higher, but we will wait for this candle to I mean this hourly candle to give a liquidity swipe on this level, that is 46.72, and only then we can take a trade. Till then, let's look at crude oil. The crude oil is has taken Asia high. I don't know which day that was. On crude oil as well, the market is actually the market is good on crude oil. That is US oil. But we cannot trade US oil. But we can trade BTC on wealth or a funded account with dirt cheap, like really dirt cheap spreads. Let's analyzing from daily time frame. Let's delete all the drawings. We have liquidity sitting below here. The market is coming on its downfall. I think we have a major liquidity sitting below here. There is the liquidity, a major liquidity sitting below here, and here as well. We might like to take this one here. Alt R on the daily time frame. The market will come to swipe out these liquidities, but for now we have a shift in market structure right here, so the market can go down, but the market might come to retest this fair value gap on daily time frame. Let's make it gray. On hourly time frame, the market is uncertain. Let's look at 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, we have this buy side liquidity that market is going to take out. We took out this sell side liquidity. Now the market is going up to take out the buy side liquidity. On 5 minutes time frame, the same scenario is unfolding. We have these buy side liquidities to be taken out, and we would like to wait for the market to tap into this fair value gap before taking any short, and that would be a big short to the low side. On 1 minute time frame, if we have any kind of longs, let's see if we have any kind of longs. Well, we had a long, but the market did not come back to retrace from here. The market might come here, then go back up. That would be the long scenario until this retest of this daily fair value gap. And you know why I'm uh, analyzing BTC, because look at here, look at the spreads. It's like there is zero spreads on BTC with wealth or a funded account, like really zero spreads. And let's go for 0.0001 and let's take a long, just to see how much of. Let's take here is stop loss. We have to what happened, modify. Okay, and let's see how much margin did it take. It took only $136 of margin to open 0.01 lots, which means to open zero point 0.1 lot it will take around $1,360. So we can open like zero point 0.5 lots on this account. Let's put our TP at here, just a short scalp to test what happened. Did you just see the are you seeing these spreads on BTC accounts? I mean crypto accounts on the wealth or a funded account, wealth or a funded prop firm. If you trade BTC, then wealth or a funded is like a gold mine for you, because there is nearly zero spread, nearly zero spread. Let's come back at gold and let's see if we have swiped out the liquidity that we are looking for. We want this liquidity to be swiped, and only then we will have a trade to the upside. Coming back to BTC, the BTC might come down to swipe out the liquidity here and then go up. Right now there is a huge liquidity resting above the marketplace, and the market has given a scenario where you can take a long, but this is a liquidity as well. I would like to see a swipe of this liquidity before going to longs. I would like the market to swipe out this liquidity, then give us an entry all the way up to here 69,000 level. Let's come back at gold. So the gold has swiped out the liquidity of that we were looking for to be swiped, and now we can actually there is a lot of sell side liquidity as well in the gold. There is London low of the previous day, Asia low as well is there. Let's let me do this black. I mean there is huge amount of liquidity is resting below the marketplace. So the market might come. I mean look at these trades. These were gold trades, like 1:5 for R, 1:5. These both trades were win. So we can't complain that 100 fair value gap does not work. We might have a bearish day today. Let's look at MGC. Where is MGC? MGC, MES. Hey, we had MGC, right? Let's add the MGC. MGC. We are in April. So let's look at April data. Oof. There is nothing in April. MGC June. Let's look at June. Okay, so the June is looking better. Let's look at daily time frame. So there is a volume imbalance. The market might go to fill that, and I think the markets were to swipe out this liquidity, which it has already swiped, and this liquidity is still pending to be swiped at 3900 level. Let's take it up here. MGC. Hourly time frame, we are going to get a shift in market structure shift, or this kind of could be the time when the market bounces back up. Let's look at for our time frame. Do we have a market structure shift? No, we don't have a market structure shift to the upside yet on 4 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we had a market structure shift all the way down here. When this market closed above, we had a market structure shift. We had a thunder FBG here. Actually, here this one market reacted to and went up, and right now market is coming down to give a market structure shift, or I want this one to become a failure to be a market structure shift on hourly time frame. 1 hour MSS. Let's come back on 50 minutes time frame. We have gotten market structure shift on 50 minutes time frame, and was there swipe of liquidity? I think this liquidity was swiped. We also have a swipe of liquidity as well. We have a market structure shift, high, low, or it will be this high and this low. So we still don't have a market structure shift, but the market is coming to give a market structure shift. This is a huge demand zone. There is a lot of liquidity here, and right now we have swiped out this liquidity, and we might also swipe out this liquidity as well. So ACL low is still safe. Now let's wait for a market structure shift to take long. If we get a market structure shift here, then I will be willing to take a long here on the main account. Liquidity is swiped. Now we wait for market structure shift. Gold chart. We can get use 0.1 only. I will stay here for 40 minutes more, and then we will close the trade. I mean the stream. We are in a very high resistance liquidity run conditions on NQ, so it's better not to trade the NQ right now, that is Nasdaq, because we will be trapped in a trade that will take huge amounts of time and burn us out psychologically. We have this breaker here that can push the dollar index down. If the dollar index is pushed down, then the gold will rise up. And if the we get a market structure shift as well, then that is a good scenario for the gold to go up and clear out all these liquidities and continue its bullish momentum. Looking at the MGC, this is the failure to this is the market structure shift on hourly time frame, which I want to be a failed attempt for the market to go above. Now we are waiting for a market structure shift. We are just waiting for a market structure shift now to go long. Well, like the stream and subscribe to the channel if you want to. Like we just can't go up like a straight up now. Can we? Maybe we can. Everyone came here to take a trade and they got losses. But if they were in risk management, proper risk management, then I don't think it should have mattered. Like two losses in a row is nothing to be afraid of. You can get like five losses in a row and still manage to uh, come back to break even with just one take profit. That is one TP. That is one winning trade. We should have waited for this liquidity to be swiped from the very beginning. That is this liquidity. Where is that? I have removed it. Why did I just remove it? We should have waited for this liquidity to be swiped from the very beginning, but we did not wait. and that was our mistake. We jumped into trades that we should not have jumped. This is a fair value gap, not thunder fair value gap, but a fair value gap of resistance. Mm, Last 2 minutes till the 30 minutes candle closer. Let's see how this 30 minute is closing. This 30 minute is closing very bearish. And can we go lower than this? Is there a way that the market can fall all the way to London low of March 31? Could be possible, but we are still on longs for the Asia high and Friday March Asia and London high of the March 20th. I think it will be taken out either next day or today. I think we are in the bull markets now. Just wait for the market structure shift. Until then, let me do some research. So we have surpassed this fair value gap. That is a good sign for us, and now we need to surpass this market structure shift to get higher. Mm, let's analyze BTC till then. It would be fun. As I had said, this is a fair value gap that the market could reject, and this is the liquidity strike that I want to see before the market starts to go up again. So let's wait for that, and let's check uh, what I'm saying. Let's check the spreads on other crypto assets. Crypto cash. What BTC USD BTC dash. Doge USD is traded. Ethereum USD is traded very well, and Litecoin UTC is traded as well. Near protocol, this one is also traded. Sol USD is traded as well. Tron USD is traded as well. Stellar Ripple XRP USD is also traded. And let's see how the spreads are in this Ethereum USD chart. Oh, just look at the spreads, man, for Ethereum USD, LTC USD. Oh, so the spreads on and Litecoin and USD is a little higher. Near USD, it is also higher on that. Sol USD spreads are kind of okay. Yes, if you trade on 15 minutes, spreads are okay. XRP USD, this is I'm expecting should be good on 1 minute. Yep. So LTC is bad. So let's delete some of them. We cannot LTC cannot trade near Sol and Tron is cannot be traded. So we have some good crypto assets that which has awesome spreads like this Doge USD, then Ethereum USD is very well, and XRP USD is there as well. So we might start trading the crypto assets as well. What is Let me delete this AUD delete it, and I will close the stream in just 13 minutes or say 23 minutes. We are down by for 30 $40 in total. We are looking for a market structure shift here, so look for to go for longs. Gold, come back, chart. Yes, the spreads on crypto assets are way better than CFD assets right now. I think I should try to get a affiliation with my funded futures. I think we will get our trade now. Just wait for this candle to close. If we get a body candle closer above this candle, we might have our thunder fair value gap as well. We did not get a body candle closer. This is the inversion fair value gap. We are looking for a body candle close above. Nah, we did not get a body candle closer above. Maybe on the next candle we will get one. One body candle closer and I will take a trade on all three accounts again. Because this is going to be a plus setup right now. This candle is considered a gap. So if we have to use the previous candle. So if we use this candle and this candle, then we will have a gap. Yep, we have a thunder fair value gap here. Let the market come back where it is. Here is will be this is the SL will be all the way down here. I can't do this. This will be the entry. This candle will be the entry. Stop loss $40 all the way down here. And let's not do the TP right now. Let's take this trade on this account as well so we can recover some of our funds. The market has turned bullish now. This will be our entry. This will be our stop loss. Let's see $80 stop loss again. We will still be in. And let's do 30 minutes candle. Let's do $700 for you. STP. Let's come back over minute candle. This one is thunder fair value gap. Our trade is here. We entered our trade here. Stop loss comes all the way down to this candle. If this candle is a wick, then this candle is the 100 fair value gap, and we look for 1:5 only. 1:5. That would be here. Now let's see how this trade goes. How much of margin did we use? We used most of our margin. Now just observe the trade now. This is this third trade on the account that I'm not serious about, and this is the second trade on the account that I'm serious about. Let's see if the trade was triggered on that account or not. Yes, the trade is triggered. Chart. We have $40 of stop loss, and we have not defined our TP yet because I want this to see go higher as much as it can go. I want to see this go higher above that candle, and only then I will close the trade. But for the 100 fair value gap, it gives 1 is to 5 for hour. So let's stay with that on trading view. We should be getting big candles by now. We should be getting big candles by now to the upside. This is our third trade, and I am quite confident and little bit nervous because we had a losing streak yesterday on NY session, and now in this SCS session as well we are having a losing streak. This is our second trade on the main account. I think the title should have been changed by now to SCS session. Well, if you haven't liked the stream, just please like the stream and subscribe to the channel because I'm fully transparent about my trading from the beginning and from the start of each account. So please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. That would be a great help, and I would really appreciate your support and love for the channel. Well, can you give me 1 minute, please? I will just come. Well, I have returned, and let's see this trade run. Our TP is way above. We have reached $80 to gain $700. 4713 is our TP, and that is a huge TP. Like 4713, if we see, look at 4713 from here, that is somewhere like here. Our previous trades TP were there. That's a good candle rejection. I think I should not trust on the secondary account as well. I think I should trade with proper risk management on that account as well. Only that way we can get to funded and take payouts. But we have touched the end of the opening price of the day, and there is a huge market up above, huge open sky for the market to expand, and we are still in the ACS session, and it will take 2 more hours for the ACS session to close, so the market can expand a lot higher, a lot higher. Which account is it? This is the secondary account. We have uh, we have surpassed the first close trades. The first trade that we lost, we have break even on that. Let's look at this account. We have we have covered the loss of the day, and now we are going for profits. Let's see if we get a uh, market structure shift on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes or not. Let's go 55 minutes and 50 minutes. The 15 minutes market structure shift is here. Let's come back to 1 minute now. The 5 minutes market structure shift is here. I think here is our 5 minutes market structure shift. We have covered the losses of the day and we are in greens. But we are still not break even in our account. We have taken out this liquidity. We have this liquidity here. Then we have massive liquidity above here. But there is a lot of liquidity above, as to say. The market might come back to touch the 100 fair value gap, but the buy side is assured now. We will go for the longs and we will go up, and I am assured of that. We have even touched the end the opening price of the day. Do you think the market is going to go lower today? Well, I don't think so. Well, I will stay in the stream for 4 more minutes and then I will close the stream and then the London session will begin. Good, we close the we have already candle close of the and inside the 100 fair value gap. I am quite uncertain right now because we have a thunder FVG again against our trade, and which is varies, and which is this one. This FVG is a thunder FVG as well to the bearish side. Let's mark it. There's nothing we can do right now. So uncertain market. The market is very uncertain today. There's too much uncertainty is there in the market. Market is doesn't used to be like this. But still let's hold on to this trade because the whole market is bullish and we have touched the opening price of the day. Then it started to go up. We cleared the sell side liquidity. Then we found this 100 fair value gap, and after that we also found this 100 fair value gap, and right now the market is rejecting from this 100 fair value gap, but I have high hopes that the market will go up because there is a lot of liquidity above, and we have also rejected from a very powerful demand zone. If we look at supply and demand factors, bro, should I hold this trade? If you are into this trade, just hold the trade. I will tell you, so I can see that hold the trade. I am holding the trade with the main account, so I can tell you to hold the trade. But at the end, it's all upon you. I hope you are in the proper risk management. That if you take 5 losses in a row, the one trade will take all the losses away and put you in break even. I am that kind of I'm in that kind of what I say risk management. So if your risk management is like that as well, then hold the trade. The market is bullish. Let it grind between these thunder fair value gaps and hold the trade. I have taken this trade on two accounts, and on one account I have taken a risk of like $100. So you can imagine how much I'm trusting this model right now. So just hold the trade, Sumant. You will not be disappointed, believe me. Well, this is the time to close the stream, but I will stay until this trade has ended. Okay, just for you, Sumant, I will stay till the till the this trade has ended. As I had, we are still in the thunder fair value gap right now, but let's see if this we get a body candle closer above this candle, previous candle's high. and only then this standard fair value gap will be invalidated. So we have like two fair value gaps right here protecting the standard fair value gap. We closed on the upper quadrant of this fair value gap, that is a good sign. If you want, if you want, then you can go to break even. This one candle at all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 candles. But this candle has respected this standard fair value gap as well. Now this is a good candle. We have an eating candle in our upper cap vertices support as well, but this is rejecting lower. It's not going good. Come on, eat up the previous candle. Eat up the previous candle. Yes, the previous candle has been eaten out. Yes, I had said hold the trade. If you had holding the trade this month, we need to clear this high now to for our this 100 fair value gap to be invalidated. And this high is also cleared. So just rest assured, this 100 fair value gap is no more valid. Now we have open sky to go above. We are really in a high resistance liquidity run condition day, which means that it will take too much of time to take out the liquidities. Like very too much of time. But if I have to stream till the London session and the London session will as well, then I will stream. Don't worry, I will stay here until either stop loss or TP is taken out. Just have patience till we break this high. We have new hourly candle and this hourly candle is going bullish. Let's look at hourly time frame and see how is the candlestick printing. Well, we are good. We are going to get above this line for sure, and then like 1 or 2 hour candle we will take out the TP. Let's come back at 1 minute time frame. This was like a very slow run, so if we get a huge volume candle then we can take out the TP in just 1 hour candle. Well, this was a good candle closer in 1 minute time frame, this one. So we need to close this one and then we will be good to our, we are above our BE into this trade. The market is concentrating here too much. Now we are up in the stream for like 2 hours and 7 minutes. So we had an breakout at last. This is I think one half of our trade. Template is to reward. Will Sumant take half of your positions out now, so you can have your break even. If you have taken only one trade, then have take the half of your position right now. But if you had taken these two losses, then wait for this to come to 1:4, then take the half of the position out. In that way, you will come to break even, and then 1 hour will be your profit of the day. Okay, I'm not going break to break even because I want the whole profit. But for you, Sumant, please be careful with your risk management because you had to stop losses with a model that you don't have, so you might get like uncertain about the next coming stream, and you might taking trades, might start taking trades that will lead to losses. So please take partial here, Sumant, and then we will talk further. And then I will also have London session, so don't worry for that. We can take care of the rest in the London session. But for now, please take a partial. We are already at 1 is to 2.5 RR. And let me know if you are you have come to break even, or if you are still in losses. Please let me know if you are in break even, or that you are still in losses. Oh, $300 in loss. Draw down. That's bad, man. How much have you risked in this account? You need 300 to pass. $900 to pass. Okay. So just I will say trail the SL to BE, and drop down is $300. I hope you have taken a what I say. I forget the terms, man. Partial. Yes, yes. I hope you have taken the partial, and let the rest of the trade run. You will cover the rest $300 in the next session. If you are trading with Lucid, I would say risk only $200 per trade, or $150 per trade. So you might have lost $400 here. And if you had risked $200 here as well, then you might be in 200, 400, and 450. So if you half of that is 150, 150 not, it is 200 and something, 225. So you might be in losses of $200, I think. How much are you risking a month in each trade? In DFT account, I need $300 to be. And this trade will give it. How much have you risked? How much have you risked into this trade? My DFT account. Let me show you my DFT account here. I'm also in DFT account trade. If I do partial, then I will just take one trades off. But I want to. I'm going to just break even. I'm only doing break even right now in $50. And let's observe the trade. My risk, my TP is all the way to. My TP is far, far, far away above than this 1 is to 5 RR. IBE the trade, bro. Okay, that's good. You are in break even. That's good. I am happy to hear now. That's your break even. We are in $196 in profit. That is that. I am BE in as well. Now the rest of the profit, that is 2 RR, will be my profit for the day. The market should expand higher than this, like somewhere to 1 is to 8 RR or something, or 173 some up to here. But I will take partial at 1 is to 5 RR. Well, this pattern is somewhat similar to me, because I have traded in the past this kind of patterns. I failed to recognize it in the beginning, and I'm sorry for that. We got in losses, but I hope that all your accounts are in break even now, and you will get some profits from this trade. The trade is going quite good. We are above break even, and we are in $38 in profit. Let's come back to our main account, that is wealth or a funded account. I have high hopes for this account. We are $102 in profit, and did you see the chart for uh, crypto assets? The crypto assets are dirt cheap spreads. The crypto assets have cheap spreads. Let me show you. Just see the BTC spreads. It's like nothing. DOG Dodge spread, like just like gold. Ethereum spread, it's like the G spread is zero. XRP spread here. Like if you are a good crypto trader, then this account can be a game changer for you. We have taken this trade. This fair value gap might be the rejecting fair value gap. I have high hopes with this fair value gap that the pit will reject the prices higher and keep the prices up above. Let's move this. We took out this liquidity, and this is our hourly. What is that candle? We came back to the body of the hourly candle, previous hourly candle. Oh, that's not good. That is totally not good. We went all the way up to this candle's consequent encroachment and then went down. 30 minutes candle. The 30 minutes candle will close in just 8 minutes, and we want to see a candle closer above this line. Let's observe at 5 minutes. Now this is a very bad candle we are getting. Let's observe 15 minutes time frame. We need to close above this candle on the next 30 minutes. Coming back to 1 minute, we took out this liquidity. We formed a 100 fair value gap again against our trade. This fair value gap is neglected, and my stop loss is here on the DFT account. I'm regretting not taking a partial as well. But let's just hold and see how it goes. I think the London session and Asia session will be done in one stream today. I haven't taken my breakfast yet. I have only eaten just two biscuits and taken my medicine. Just break off of this. Only we get a break candle, any candle or wick of this, then this 100 fair value gap will be invalidated. Well, like the stream, Sumant, please. I lost two subscribers in like today, one day. Please like the stream, Sumant. What is this going on? Just yep. Just this to this candle. Whoop, 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 whoop. What a candle, man! What a candle! Just close above. Just it has taken out this liquidity. Means this 100 fair value gap is invalidated, and the market will go up higher more. Someone give a like now, please. Just like the stream now. I deserve a like now. I deserve a like. I just deserve one like right now. Do you agree, Sumant? I deserve a like. Please like the stream. I deserve a like just now. What this candle just did after this, I deserve a like. And I will say go take your partials off right now. Let me see where I am. I am about to break even my account in 80 more dollars. So I will wait for this account to go up, and let's look at the FT account. How's that going? I deserve a like. Come on. Uh, this candle got eaten out, but not a problem at all. We took out this liquidity as well. We are going above. Okay, we are going to the skies. We are going to the skies, and I'm streaming now. I'm not going down. We are going above. Don't worry, we are going above. $86. It came back down after such a big candle. We are going above. Don't worry, we are going above. We are going to the full TP. We are going for the full TP. We are going for the full TP. Don't worry, we are going for the full TP. We will take the full TP. Stop loss to break even. I will do the spell. We are going for the full TP, and that is the confirmation. This candle is the confirmation. We are going for the full TP and further above. I booked full trade. Well. Now tell me, are we in drawdown in profits or what? Just tell me if you are in drawdown, in break even, or full, or in profits. Tell me now. Let me know, please. If you are in break even, if you are in drawdown, or if you are in profits. Let me know, Sumant, because this trade is going to go far above right now. As I have trades still $250 in DFT. So are you out of the trade or you are still in the trade? Because if you are still in the trade, then I will stay hold. What about Lucid account? Did you break even the Lucid account? Yep. Full TP smashed. I think the full TP has been smashed. I think. Nah, just more, little bit more, and we will smash the full TP. We are going to get big moves now, and I'm not stopping to stream right now. Just tell me if about your accounts. Okay, so if booked full TP, no position open. So in Lucid, $230 in drawdown. Okay, no problems in D. So you have closed all your trades. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Well, like the stream, please. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Please like the stream now. I think two RR loss and 5 RR of win means we are still 3 RR up for the day. Three, if we lose two trades and of one RR, that means we lost two risks, and we get a 5 RR reward of trade means 5 minus 2 we get 3 rewards means we are 3 RR up for the day, right? We are 3 RR up for the day. We are still 3 RR up for the day. If we take full TP, we are still 3 RR up for the day. That means we are ending in green. Full TP smashed. But I am holding the trade still now because I think the trade will go more higher. And let's look at DFT account. I will take the partial on DFT account now. Let's go to chart. Full TP smashed. Full TP smashed on both the accounts. The exit on my DFT account is at 17, but let's see. If I take a partial now, then it won't be good. Let it go to $400, then I will take the half of the positions off. And I think there is a huge potential for the market to go up. There is lot of liquidities above, and let it just eat all of them up. I will just clean this account in just one day today, one trade. Here is my, it will give me in BE, and for the rest I'm just bullish. Let's get back to our main account and see how it is doing. Are we in break even? So we are break even now. We are in 0.5% in profits chart, and I'm going to hold this trade for the till the London session, and I want to see this trade swipe out the SEA high. This is SEA high of the day, right? SEA high, Wednesday, April 1, 2026. Let it be blue. Oh, it's black. Oh, blue missed today. Okay. So I am aiming for 717. Full tip is smashed here. Let me delete this one. I will say full tip is smashed here. Let me write here full TP smashed. Full TP SMA SHT smashed and holdings rest for 4717 till it should be till. Let's go to right and bottom. Let's make it black so it's more visible properly. And I am now going to 4117 here. Now that's my TP on DFT account. Let's delete this one, delete this one, delete this. No, can't delete this one. This liquidity is still to be striped out. Only if I had my funded account on Blue Guardian Futures, I would have been in positive. The funded account, yeah, I have still not received. So you have proved your full positions, and please like the stream and subscribe to the channel. I'm still anticipating big, like very big candles to the at least 8 RR right now. These liquidities must be swiped, and the SE high will be taken out. Might not be taken out today, but we will have another high before the London session. So as the TP is smashed, I will close the stream right now, Sumant, and good luck. We will meet in the London session. Have a nice day. Goodbye and be safe. Tada.